That was a 1 month difference. Hey beauties, it's Jayla again. Thank you so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. If you're new here, welcome beauty. And if you're just returning, welcome back boo. Let's get started. Before I get into the supplements and one of the oils I use in order to increase or stimulate hair growth, I just want to let you know what's going on with my head. These are a week old. They took a long time. If you watched my 2-strand twist video from before, you notice I had bigger parts. I mean, like, my parts were huge, but I decided to go a little bit smaller. I don't regret it by any means, but it definitely takes time, but it's worth it. I've really been enjoying these mini twists. So here they are again. There's probably a part back here. I'm so sorry. I recently stretched these, and so I kind of stretched them toward the middle. So, but yeah. All right, beauties. I'm gonna kind of walk you through a little bit of what I do in the morning in order to get my hair ready, and also the supplements I take in order to increase my hair growth. First things first, I mist my hair. Here's my mister. It lets out a misting amount of water, which is great, and it smells pretty good because I have in here water, lavender, and one more thing I'm going to reveal to you all later in this video. So I mist my hair in the morning a few times. I like to be able to feel the water on my hair a little bit. I like to feel a little bit of dampness so I know that I actually have enough, because it's probably going to evaporate by the time I leave anyway. Then I go in with my wild hair growth oil. I used to use the regular or heavier one, but I recently switched over to using this one because I do have low porosity hair, and it is said that typically low porosity guys and gals, their hair typically likes a lighter oil because it'll be easier for the oil to penetrate the strands. But right now in this one, I poured out half of this, and I actually put olive oil, a little bit of black Jamaican castor oil, and I believe a little bit of grapeseed oil in here. I will post a picture of how my hair was in April and then how my hair was at the end of May here. Y'all see that growth? Honey, I've been doing something right. So after I do my mist, after I use this to go into my parts, very lightly, I don't squeeze it on there. Very lightly, just a little bit. Boop, 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 boop. And then I go in with my scalp massager. I hope you can hear that. This is the Queen Wool scalp massager that I actually got from Amazon, and it's been working pretty well. And I just go in after I oil my scalp, and I just go in small circular motions, just like that. And I do that for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, and that's it. I haven't been doing my edges every day anymore. I used to, but I've decided to stop. I want to give my edges a break.
But imagine how tired we are. Imagine how tired we are of it.
Because I do notice that when I do lay them, a little bit of hair does come off, and I see in the comb, and the hair along my edges is very, very fine, so it's a little bit more fragile than the rest of my strands. For 2 months, this is what I was taking. Well, this is one of the things I was taking. Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies. They are gone. There's nothing else in here. I tore these up. They are so delicious. They taste like little strawberry candies. But I noticed tremendous growth while taking these. I switch my vitamins every 2 months or so my body won't get used to them. I noticed my eyebrows got thicker in of themselves within the first 2 weeks of me taking these. They cost me about, I want to say about $6, which is pretty fair. This one comes with 80 gummies, and it is recommended, I don't know if you can see that. It is recommended that you take 2 a day. I took 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, because they were so delicious, but they really catapulted my hair growth. I also finished this second hair vitamin that I was taking for the past couple months, and I threw away the bottle. Womp womp. So I'll post it right here. These are the Tropica's hair vitamins. I will put the link of all the products used down in the description box. I noticed in conjunction with taking the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nail Pills, my hair grew a lot. They're capsules, so I typically just open the capsule up, pour the powder in my mouth, and took it with water. I take vitamins in the morning anyway, so it was nothing major at all. I would suggest for you to just try the Nature's Bounty vitamins first, and then if you want to further increase your hair growth, to try the Tropicas. Those particular vitamins are vegan, and they're more on the expensive side. I paid about $25 for them, but I definitely think it was worth the investment, at least for the 2 months I was taking them. This is what I kind of alluded to in my hair staples video with what I put in my mister. MSM. If you are a Curly Proverbs fan, you are familiar. She swears by MSM. I've taken this internally, and I also, again, I put it in my mister. Right now I don't take it internally because of all of the other vitamins and things I take. I didn't want to just overload my body, and so I deferred to just put this in my spray bottle. I am going to start measuring my hair because I have achieved around neck length hair, and I'll show you all at the end of this video. It increases our hair's anagen phase, which is the phase in which our hair actually grows. And so if our hair grows for a longer amount of time, that technically would increase our growth. Last thing that I've been taking in my water is Collagen Peptides. I've done research, and it is said that collagen, especially, taking collagen in a supplement form, it can heighten your blood pressure. And I'm not trying to have high blood pressure, so I don't take, here, I'll open it up for you. I put this in my water in the morning because it doesn't have a flavor, so. But it comes with this. I don't use one whole scoop when I put this in my water, because again, I'm not trying to have high blood pressure. But this is around the amount that I use in my water. It's not even half. Yeah, it's not half at all. But yes, beauties, I mist my hair every day, at least once a day. Most of the time, twice, maybe even 3 times a day. I also oil my scalp in the morning with the wild hair growth oil. Then I go in with my massager for about 5 to 10 minutes in order to massage those good oils into my scalp to promote hair growth. In the morning before breakfast, I take my collagen and my Nature's Bounty. Oh, and I almost forgot. And I'll take my Tropicas. These are the things that I've done for extreme hair growth. And I'll insert the pictures again. That was a 1 month difference. 1 month difference. Beauties, I really hope this has helped you. I will link everything in the description box. I would also like to mention to you, especially if you aren't already taking at least one of these, don't just implement all of these at once. Please do not shock your body like that. How I did it, I started taking the Nature's Bounty first, and I was taking that for maybe about 2 weeks, and then I added the Tropica's hair vitamins, and then about 2 weeks after that I added collagen, because you don't know if something will make you break out. You don't know if your body will act adversely. You just never know. So just be careful when taking supplements. Please drink plenty. Please drink plenty of water whenever you are taking supplements, and get some exercise. Even if you're just walking, it increases blood flow to your scalp. The length check, at least in the back. Sorry, I can't do one on the side for y'all. But this is, you can see this is the corner like of my nape right here. I'm gonna get a tape measure, y'all, because I've got some length now. I actually can show y'all the inches, okay? Ow, I just hit my knee. Oh my God. Jesus, be offensive, Lord. Oh, whew. All right, let's do the back. You can see my head is straight. I appreciate everyone for tuning in. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.